Happy Monday, guys. Woo! Who's excited? Miss Cantwell is. All right, today is Monday, September 28th. Today is the day your province projects are due. We are going to share them today. Here's your weekly tab, September 28th through October 2nd. Can you guys believe that Friday we're in October? Yee! All right, so first you are going to go to the Watch Me First in the CNN 10 video. I have created a multiple choice answer for you. You're going to have to watch the video. The question you're going to answer is, how many pounds does the giant robot weigh? Ooh, I spelled that wrong. I will fix that for sure. So you're going to go back, answer that question, super easy. And then this is just a blurb saying, today you will be sharing all about your province that you chose to live in. Be prepared to share your screen with all of us and give all the information required in the assignment. We are going to share. If not many people finish it and turn it in, then when we are done, we are going to get caught up on work that is due. And if you are all caught up, well, then you should go do some iReady lessons today. I vote we're going to do iReady reading lessons when you are done. No geography games today. So that is our agenda for Monday, September 28th. I can't wait to hear all about your provinces and look at your houses. All right, here we go.